Okay, I'm doing this in my cluttered kitchen because I wasn't planning on it, but I had to review this OPOWO compared to the one that I currently have, which is Niakasa. I'll put it in the comments as to both machines where I got it on Amazon. Both of them came from Amazon, but I bought this during the Prime sale day. And why I liked it, I thought, was because this little thing here for the hair under the paw. But I'm going to turn on the machine, and it has 3 levels, whereas my other one has 4. And it's on high now. If we do this, it doesn't suck at all. So I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to turn around my dog and use it on her tail. See it? So the vacuum sucks real well. You can tell the hair is being pulled, but nothing is being cut. Okay? So that's because it's plastic. So I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn on my other one so you can see how well it cuts when it is metal. Just a second, Penny. You stay there. So my other one is a Niakasa. Turning it on low. And let's take a look. I'm going to shave her tail. So you see that how easy it touches, and it sucks it and it cuts it. So I hope that can be shown. And this one doesn't come with a paw cutter, so I do have to touch it with a big one, but it cuts it real well. So you can tell there. You can see that it cuts. I'm gonna complete her tail. So you can see that there's no hair here. So I'm returning the OPOWO, and I'm keeping the one that I have, which is the Niakasa. I hope that review helps you.
I bought this pet grooming kit vacuum. It's all in one system. I like it because everything comes in there from my cat or any other pet as dogs. I've been getting my cat getting used to it. At first, she wouldn't get close to it. Now she's close to me right here. She's I was able to get with her with her nail. I haven't turned it on yet. I turn it on a little bit. She might get scared. So little by little, you gotta get your cat or your dog used to it, to the vacuum, and she'll like it afterwards. I like it because it's really nice and small. The vacuum is very self-contained. It has a filter inside there. It has all the attachments. It has a little vacuum port. The attachments are really easy to move and replace. I'm gonna turn it on right now to see how quiet it is. My cat is still getting used to it, so it's been a week for this all-in-one bucket so she can get used to it. She's barely getting used to the sound. I like it because the sound is really soft. It's not that big. My cat, she's little by little. See, little by little, she's getting used to it. The sound is really small. You can't hear it that well, so it's really nice and not that noisy. You gotta let your animal get used to it for a while. I think it's probably like 2 weeks, which she gets used to it, to the whole sound. But basically, she's little by little getting used to it. As you can see right here, the hair will go inside there, and I will kind of like help her really good. So all-in-one pet grooming kit vacuum. It works really good. It has a really good. It has many attachments. They're easy to attach, and also this attachment for the nail clipper. It's self-contained, it's rechargeable. You can charge it, and you can cut the hair with this. Self-contained, you can connect it with the vacuum, and take the hair will take it through the vacuum right there. It's a big box. It was very well packaged. I highly recommend it.
Several attachments that go with that, so you can judge how you would want to cut the length of their hair. You also have a smaller attachment if you're doing things like grooming their toes. You get a grinder to do the toenails. And then you have the grooming head, and it has two different heads that go on it. This one here is a generalized grooming head that goes on there. And then this is what I refer to as a rake. It's used for getting matting out. I have a dog that has two layers to his coat, an underlayer and the top layer. He mats very easily. And a rake is about the only thing that we successfully have used to groom him. So I'm very excited to try this. Just stay right there. This is so cool. Stay right there. Hang on. Good girl. Look. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's cutting the hair and then it's sucking it in. Oh, so nice.
Okay, this is the pet grooming kit, and I pulled everything out of the box, so there's nothing in there. So this is the main machine that we have. Let me adjust it there. And then since I have 2 dogs that are already in it, so it comes with these attachments. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you have the hose, the manual, and I'm excited to use it. You guys ready?
Muy completo, muy completo, muy bien empacado. En tu caja, excelente el empaque. Viene sin daños, muy completo para las uñitas, para cortar los pelitos.